Friends, welcome to Amjad Concepts. In this video, I am going to explain remaining problems in logarithms. In logarithm exercise 1.5, some more problems are remaining. Those are here. Sixth problem. Given if log x plus y by 3 equal to 1 by 2 of log x plus log y, then find the value of x by y plus y by x. Find the value of x by y plus y by x. Yeah, this is the problem given. Listen, here we can do like this. Log of x plus y by 3 is equal, okay, 1 by 2 of log a plus log b. Log a plus log b is log of a into b. So log of a into b, that is xy. Log x plus log y is log xy. Okay. Log of x plus y by 3 is equal log m log a. What happened? M log a is log a to the power of m. What is m here? 1 by 2. M log a is equal to log a to the power of m. Okay? Log a to the power of m. So 1 by 2 log xy can be written as log xy whole to the power of 1 by 2. Cancel log both sides. Then you will get x plus y by 3 is equal to xy power 1 by 2 is nothing but root xy. Now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Then x plus y by 3 whole square is equal root xy whole square. Root square cancel. Here x plus y whole square by 3 square is nothing but 9 equal to xy. Okay. X plus y whole square, x square plus y square plus 2xy is equal 9 into xy, 9xy. X square plus y square is equal 2xy coming this side, it become minus 9xy minus 2xy, that equal to 7xy. Okay, now divide with xy, then you will get why, because given x by y plus y by x, we have to find the value of x by y plus y by x. To get x by y, divide with xy both sides. xy cancel here. X square here, 1x cancel, y square here, 1y cancel. Then you got x by y plus y by x is equal, how much remaining? 7 remaining. That's the answer. X by y plus y by x equal to 7. We got x by y plus y by x equal to 7. Okay, yeah. Coming to next problem. Problem is given 2.3 power x is equal if 2.3 power x is equal 0.23 power y equal 1000, then find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. Yeah, 1 by x minus 1 by y. What is the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y? Listen, here given 2.3 power x is equal 0.23 power y is equal 1000. So, could be 2.3 power x equal to 1000 and 0.23 power y equal to also 1000. So, first one, 2.3 power x equal to 1000. Okay, 2.3 power x equal to 1000. It is like a power x equal to n. If a power x equal to n, log n to the base a equal to x. You can write log n to the base a equal to x. So it can be written as log, what is n here? 1000 base 2.3 equal to x. Log 1000 base 2.3 equal to x. But here the question in question we have 1 by x, reciprocal of x. So make it reciprocal. If 1 by x equal to 1 by log 1000 base 2.3. Okay, then 1 by x equal to, we get log 2.3 base 1000, say 1. Okay, now coming to another one, 0.23 power y is equal to 1000. 0.23 power y equal to 1000. So it can be written as log 1000 base 0.23 is equal to y. Log 1000 base 0.23 equal to y. We need again reciprocal of y na. So 1 by y is equal, here 1 by log 1000 0.23. 1 by y is equal, okay, 1 by log 1000 base 0.23 can be 0.23 base 1000. Okay, say 2. 1 by x minus 1 by y we need. So equation 1 minus 2. So 1 by x minus 1 by y, that is equal. What is 1 by x? Log 2.3 base 1000. Log 2.3 base 1000. 1000 can be written as 10 cube. And what is 1 by y? Log 0.23 base 1000. Log 0.23 base 1000 can be 10 cube. Here we have log a minus log b. What is log a minus log b? Log of a by b. So log of a is 2.3 by b is 0.23 base 10 cube. Okay. To get cancel, here point after 2 digit, here point after 1 digit. So put 0 here. Okay. Then point get cancel. Log 230 by 23 10 cube. 23 10 ja. Okay. Listen, we have log 10 base 10 power 3. Okay. Here power to the base. So it can be 1 by 3 log 10 base 10. Why? Because log a base b to the power of n equal to 1 by n log a base b. By that we can write. What is the value of log 10 base 10? 1. So finally we got 1 by x minus 1 by y equal to 1 by 3. 1 by x minus 1 by y equal to 1 by 3. Why? Because log 10 base 10 equal to 1. Okay, next coming to 8th problem. Given that 2 to the power of 1 minus x equal to, 2 to the power of x plus 1 equal to 3 power 1 minus x. Then find the value of x. Given if 2 to the power of x plus 1 equal to 3 to the power of 1 minus x, then find the value of x. That's the question. Very simple. First do apply log on both sides. Then you will get like this. Log of 2 to the power of x plus 1 equal to log of 3 to the power of 1 minus x. Log a to the power of m. What's the formula? M log a. So it can be m means here x plus 1 log a log 2. Here also same m log a. Okay. Now expand this. X into log 2, x log 2 plus 1 into log 2, log 2 is equal 1 into log 3 log 3 minus x log 3. Okay, write x terms at one side, then you will get x log 2 minus coming this side plus x log 3 is equal log 3 minus log 2. Okay, take x common, then remaining log 2 plus log 3 is equal log 3 minus log 2. Okay, then what is the value of x? X is equal to log 3 minus log 2 by this one, log 3 minus log 2 by log 2 plus log 3. This is the value of x. Okay, up to that enough. If you want to simplify, you can do like this. Log of a minus b, log a by b. So log 3 by 2 by log of log a plus log b, log a into b, that is 2 into 3. So you can write log 3 by 2 is 1.5 by log 6. Okay, yeah. Next, last bit in this exercise and chapter also. Is log 2 rational or irrational? Justify your answer. Problem 9th one. Log 2 is rational or irrational? Log 2 is rational or irrational? Listen, let log 2 is rational. Take log 2 as a rational. If log 2 is rational, it can be, log 2 can be written as log 2 to the base 10 is equal p by q, and q is not equal to 0. Okay, write in exponential form. 10 to the power of p by q is equal to 2. 10 to the power of p by q is equal to 2. Okay, and raise 10 power of p by q to the q. So then it can be 10 to the power of p by q whole to the power of q is equal to 2 to the power of q. Okay, raise q, raise to the q both sides. Then q cancel. 10 power p equal to 2 power q. 10 is nothing but 2 into 5. 2 into 5 power p is equal to 2 power q. Okay. Now 2 power p into 5 power p is equal to 2 power q. 2 power p coming this side, it become by. So 5 power p is equal 2 power q by 2 power p. 5 power p is equal 2 power q minus p. 2 power q minus p. Okay? Okay, leave that up to that. And here the condition is, what is the value of log 0? Log 1, that is 0. What is the value of log 10? That is 1. Log 0, log 1 is 0, log 10 is 1. Log 2 is between these two, log 1 and log 2, log 10. Here, log 1 to log 10, the value of log is increasing, gradually increasing. The value for log 1 to log 10 is increasing. So, log 2 is greater than log 1 and less than log 10. Log 2 is greater than log 1 and less than log 10. 0, okay, less than. What is log 2 now? What is log 2 is p by q. So take p by q. Less than log 10 is 1. Okay. By these two we can write p is less than q. P is less than q. Q into 1 q. So p is less than q. Okay. And so in these two, which is the greater one? Q is greater one. P is less one. Q minus p is, if you write q minus p is greater than 0. Q minus p is greater than 0. Okay. Listen here. P less than q. P is less than Q. Q is greater than P. So Q minus P is greater than 0. If Q minus P greater than 0, 2 power, it should be a positive. Q minus P is a positive number. Okay. Here we got to 5 power P is equal to 2 power some positive number. Okay. Here listen. 5 power P is equal to 2 power Q minus P. Okay. Raise 5 power to any number, it should be a odd number only. Why? Because 5 power 1, 5 square, 25, 5 cube, 125, 5 power 4, 625. For any number, it should be a odd number only. If you raise to any power, it's a odd number. Okay. Here we got Q minus P is a positive number. To raise to up to any power, it should be a even number. Okay. We got odd number equal to even number. Is this correct? It's contradict. Not correct. So our assumption is wrong. What is that? Log 2 is a rational number. It's a wrong. What is that? Then log 2 is a irrational. Okay. Listen here. We got 5 power P equal to odd number. Why? Because if you raise 5 to the any power, it should be odd number. In the same way, 2 to the any power, it should be even number. Odd number is equal to even number. It's a wrong. So our assumption is wrong. What is the log 2 is a rational number? If log 2 is a rational number wrong, then what is the right? Log 2 is a irrational number. Okay. Next one given, log 100, rational or irrational? Very simple, we can say that log 100 base 10. Log 100 can be written as log 10 square base 10. It can be log 10 base 10. 2 into log 10 base 10, 1. So we got 2. Now tell me, 2 is rational or irrational? Absolutely rational number only. Okay, na? Okay friends, thanks for watching. Up to this problem, the chapter is completed. Thank you very much.